Let's take a closer look at the pin function. The device offers the option of locking measurement relevant settings by assigning a pin and only enabling them again after the pin has been entered. We can see this in an example. First, we assign a 4-digit pin, which you can choose freely. In our example, 0000. The device notifies us directly that the pin has been set. And the OK button takes us back to the higher level menu. Here we can already see the first effect. The factory settings are locked with a lock symbol and can no longer be selected. Also no new adjustments can be made in the tab Adjustment, and no more settings can be done in the tab Limits. This means that the device now works with the previously defined settings. To make the functions accessible again, we navigate back to the System settings and back to the Pin submenu. Here we enter our pin 0000 and receive a message that the pin has been cleared. Now we can access all settings again as usual.